Welcome back to day 11 of showing you a plant a day until I've shown you every plant in my collection. Today's plant is my crown of thorns, also called the Euphorbia milii, M-I-L-I-I, the Euphorbia milii. It is a very cool plant. These little thorns, it's called the crown of thorns. These little thorns are actually just modified stems for protection of the plant. So even though mine is not currently in bloom, it is a blooming plant. They will produce little flowers, different colors, red, orange, pink, but those little colors are actually not the flowers. Those are called bracts. The flowers are just the yellow part that is right in the center of those bracts. This plant is from Madagascar. That is where it is native to. It is considered a shrub and it can grow up to 6 feet tall and live for multiple decades, which is so cool. A lot of times, if you see this plant, it has been handed down through generations. Somebody might have gotten it from their mother or grandmother, which is super cool. I love plants that just live and live and live for those types of just decades and that long. It's just really cool that you can just hand this plant down through the generations. Now, because it is a euphorbia, it does produce a milky kind of sap that can be really irritating to the skin and is considered toxic. So you just have to be very careful if you break a piece of this plant off or if you're propagating. I've gotten it on my skin. Some people are more irritated, get more irritated by it than others. It does make you a little bit itchy and can cause red spots. But if you have any sort of allergy to it, it could definitely be um, a lot more irritating than for most other people. So just be careful and be warned about that. That's with all euphorbia plants. Some cultures do believe that this plant brings fortune and good luck, so they will place it near an entrance in their house. Mine has never bloomed for me. I just think it's a really cool plant. I found it on a whim. And so if you put it in a bright, sunny spot, it will definitely grow more leaves than mine. Mine went about 8 months without water. It definitely can suffer a lot of neglect. I thought it was dead, but I watered it and it perked right back up and started producing some leaves. So, yeah, just a really fun, interesting plant. Let me know if you have one of these and what color yours is when it blooms because I am very excited to see what this looks like when it blooms. So, thanks so much for tuning in to day 11. Stick around to see what tomorrow brings.